When you think of monsoons in Mumbai, the famous Raj Kapoor Nargis song in Sri Chasubis comes to mind. People sitting with their cutting chais, but not anymore. In fact, post 2005, whenever monsoons come, people have fear about death and deluge that the 2005 flood brought with it. And that is why our Mumbai Bureau took a reality check on what exactly is the ground situation. Take a look at this report.
26 July 2005. Mumbai was caught unprepared. The deluge ripped the city apart. All essential services collapsed, and the ineffectiveness of civic authorities was simply exposed. It could be the same this year. Headlines today's reporters have found out that the maximum city is still not completely equipped to deal with the monsoon. And that this year too, Mumbaikars should be prepared for the worst. It was the Methi River that caused maximum damage back in 2005. Since then, the BMC conducts desilting exercise of the river every year. But, as our reporters found out, it remains a superficial one.
They are giving a very rosy picture and they are trying to portray that this time there will be no waterlogging problem in the eastern and western suburbs of Mumbai. But right now we are standing at one of the major nalas in the eastern suburbs. But if you move 50 to 100 meters inside the nala towards the buildings, towards the houses, towards the hutments, you can clearly make out that it hasn't been even touched also and the work hasn't been done properly. The condition is totally different what BMC is claiming. This time again the waterlogging problem in the eastern suburbs because of these kind of major and minor nalas is going to be very major problem.
The BMC has been giving assurances about its preparedness.
मुंबईकरों से ये कहना चाहेंगे, जनता से ये कहना चाहेंगे कि पूरे प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं और प्रयत्न में कोई कसर या कमी नहीं रहेगी कि वर्षा के मौसम में आपको कम से कम तकलीफ हो.
But the situation on the ground tells a different story. It seems like the administration has not learned any lesson from the past. Right next to Mumbai's international airport, the Sahar village gets waterlogged almost every year. And looks like this year too will be no different.
We are at a place called the Sahar Cargo Nala, a place that drains out water from the adjoining areas of Sahar village, Chakala and other areas around the international airport. And as you can see in the pictures, the construction of the Nala that will drain out water during heavy rains and a flood-like situation, the work is still incomplete. And if rains are to, if rains arrive in Mumbai next week, there are hardly any chances that this work is going to be completed in another few days. So in case there is heavy waterlogging and heavy rains, water will not only log in the adjoining areas of Sahar village, but there are chances, the residents say, that waterlogging would also affect the international airport's runway.
They don't have any planning, and God forbids that this time 26 likes flood situation does not happen in Mumbai. If it happens, I think our whole Sahar village will be submerged as it happens every year.
This is just the tip of the iceberg, an example of how the BMC's tall claims are falling flat. With Aditya Aman and Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai, Zaka Jacob, Headlines Today.